Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English Vibes, the podcast that helps you learn real, everyday English with calm, confidence, and a little bit of motivation. I'm Paul, and I'm really happy you're here with me today. In today's episode, we'll talk about something every English learner feels: motivation. How to keep going, how to stay strong, and how to enjoy the process even when it feels hard. In this podcast, I speak slowly and clearly. I use simple English and repeat important ideas so you can understand easily and practice with me. You can listen, repeat, and speak along. That's called shadowing. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's start together. Part 1. The reality of learning English. Learning English isn't easy, and that's okay. It takes time, patience, and practice. Some days you feel excited. Other days you feel tired or frustrated. That's normal. Everyone who learns a new language goes through this. You need time to listen. You need time to speak. You need time to understand. You need time to grow. On good days, enjoy your progress. On bad days, just keep going. Even small steps are good steps. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. You are doing something amazing and something difficult, and you're doing it with courage. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard, sometimes you want to stop. But when you look back, you'll see how far you've come. You've learned new words, you've practiced, you've listened, you've improved, you are climbing, you are growing. Part 2. Understanding motivation. So, what is motivation? Motivation is not magic. It's not always loud or powerful. Sometimes it's quiet. A little voice inside that says, "Try again." Don't stop. Even when you feel tired, it whispers, "Just one more minute. Just one more try." That's motivation. If you feel tired, rest, and then come back. If you feel confused, breathe, and then try again. You don't need to do everything perfectly. You just need to return again and again. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Maybe it's for your job. Maybe it's to travel. Maybe it's to meet people around the world. Whatever your reason, it's important. Your reason is your fuel. It keeps you going when you feel low. So write it down. Keep it close. Read it when you feel lazy. Your reason will remind you why you started. Part 3. Simple tips to stay motivated. Let's talk about a few simple ways to stay motivated when learning feels hard. Tip number 1. Do just a little. You don't need to study for an hour. You don't need a big plan. Just do one small thing. Listen to English for 5 minutes. Read one short paragraph. Repeat one sentence. Even 1 minute is better than nothing. Small steps every day become big progress over time. Tip number 2. Make learning easy to start. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for silence or free time. Just start, even for 5 minutes. Put your notebook on the desk. Save one video to your phone. Set a small timer. Starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, your mind will follow. Tip number 3. Be kind to yourself. Don't say, "I'm slow." Don't say, "I'm bad at English." Don't say, "I'll never be fluent." Instead, say, "I'm learning. I'm trying. I'm improving." You're human. You're growing. Be gentle with yourself. Tip number 4. Celebrate small wins. Did you learn one new word today? That's a win. Did you listen to a short podcast? That's a win. Did you practice for 5 minutes? That's a win too. You don't need big achievements. You just need to notice the small ones and smile at them. Part 4. Seeing your progress. Sometimes you might think, Am I improving? Is this even working? And my answer is yes. You are improving. You are better today than you were yesterday, even if you don't see it yet. Here are a few ways to see your progress. Tip number 1. Keep a small English notebook. Write one sentence every day, just one. It can be simple. For example, today I learned the word progress. Today I listened to English Vibes. Today I watched a video without subtitles. After 1 month read what you wrote, you'll see how much you've grown. Tip number 2. Record your voice. Say something simple. Hi, I'm Paul. I'm learning English. Then do it again next week. Compare the two recordings. You'll hear your pronunciation improve, your confidence grow, your fluency sound smoother. Tip number 3. Notice the small understandings. Maybe today you understood a sentence without translating. Maybe you watched a short clip and understood the meaning. Maybe you replied in English automatically. That's real progress, even if it's quiet. Tip number 4. Look back, not just forward. Don't only see what you can't do. Notice what you can do now. Maybe 2 months ago, this podcast was hard. Now you understand most of it. That's progress, and it's yours. Part 5. Enjoying the process. Now, let's talk about something deeper, how to enjoy learning English. Many people forget this part. Learning doesn't have to be serious all the time. It can be fun. Learning English is not a race, it's a journey. You don't need to finish fast, you just need to keep walking. Sometimes you'll run, sometimes you'll rest, sometimes you'll slow down. All of that is part of learning. There's beauty in small victories. When you understand one line in a movie, smile. When you speak to someone for 10 seconds, be proud. When you remember a word you learned last week, celebrate. You don't need a test to tell you you're improving. You can feel it in your heart. And please, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. They are proof that you are trying. When a baby learns to walk, it falls again and again, but it keeps going. And that's how it learns. You are doing the same. You are learning to walk in English, so don't be afraid to fall. Speak. Try. Practice. That's how you grow. Part 6. The power of English. Let's talk about your future. Why does English matter so much? Because English is not just a language, it's a tool. It's a key that can open many doors. When you speak English, you can talk to people from all over the world. You can make friends in other countries. You can understand books, songs, and news from everywhere. You can travel. You can learn more. You can connect. Think about it. More than 1.5 billion people speak English. That means you can find someone to talk to almost anywhere. English connects you to the world. It gives you choices for jobs, studies, travel, and growth. Even in your own country, English can give you confidence and opportunities. So every minute you spend learning is an investment in your future. Ending message. And now you made it to the end of this episode. Congratulations! You listened with focus. You practiced patience. You gave your time to something important, yourself. Today we talked about motivation. We talked about staying strong, about progress, and about enjoying your journey. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak fast. You just need to keep going, slowly, kindly, confidently. I'm proud of you. You are doing something brave. You are learning a new language, and that's a beautiful thing. Thank you for listening to English Vibes, where learning English feels calm, positive, and real. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. I'm Paul, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay motivated, stay patient, and stay kind. Bye for now. Like, share, and subscribe to English Vibes for more slow, natural, and motivating English practice every week.